Lincoln executives realize that alphanumeric naming can be really confusing for their customers. So they're reinstating real names for their cars, like Continental and now Nautilus. The successor to the MKX, the new 2019 Nautilus is a midsize luxury SUV backed by a turbocharged engine range with room for up to 5 passengers. Welcome lighting greets the driver from both outside and in, leading to a cabin focused on modern design and comfort. Lincoln wants the Nautilus to serve as a sanctuary from the outside world. To that end, acoustic side glass has been added to reduce wind noise for rear passengers, and there's an overall decrease in noise from the road. Available Ultra Comfort seats can be adjusted up to 22 ways, providing lumbar massage designed to reduce fatigue. A large center touchscreen serves as the portal to infotainment with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. A suite of new technologies includes a lane centering feature that pairs with adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality to help subtly maintain the Nautilus's position in its lane using a combination of radar and cameras. Also debuting is Evasive Steer Assist, which analyzes the gap between slower-moving and stationary vehicles on the road ahead to lessen the risk of a rear-end collision by helping the driver steer around the vehicle. The Nautilus moves to an all-turbocharged lineup for 2019, with a standard 245 horsepower 2-liter engine and an optional 2.7-liter motor making 335 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. Both pair to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Lincoln's Black Label treatment can be applied to the Nautilus, providing premium materials and specially curated designer themes with a host of membership privileges, including annual vehicle detailing, anytime car washes, and access to a select list of restaurants where noted chefs will provide an at-your-service dining experience. Look for the 2019 Nautilus this summer with pricing announced closer to launch. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.